So once again, good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
Afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon, ma'am.
We are discussing chapter 2. What's the name of chapter 2?
Patterns.
Patterns. Patterns we have discussed.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Okay, can I ask one by one?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, today's accent training class when?
Excuse me, who was asking that?
Ma'am, I am
Daniel, yeah? Daniel, it will be sent, okay?
Ma'am, it's only for 5A.
Okay, see children,
Ma'am,
this,
on 6:15.
it's actually,
5A.
it will be sent to you in the WhatsApp. You can check in the WhatsApp. Okay, Daniel? Okay. I'm not teaching accent training, no. So I will not be knowing all the children.
Ma'am, today 6:15.
Okay, okay. 6:15. Okay, children, please mute. I want to start this math class. Okay. So who can say, Agnay, one more time? Can we say what's symmetrical shapes?
Objects and shapes are said to be symmetrical if they can be divided into two identical
Two
parts.
identical parts. Okay, we can say identical, or we can say they are the reflection of each other. Reflection, that will be same, and it will be same and identical. Reflection means which object is placed in front of a mirror or something, we can see exactly the same image, that is they will be identical, and the line that is dividing is called Ayman. Where are you looking, Ayman?
symmetry, axis of symmetry or lines of symmetry.
Ayman.
Ma'am, I heard some kind of sound.
Okay. Can you say the line that is dividing the symmetrical halves? What is that line called?
Line of symmetry or axis of
Symmetry,
symmetry.
or we can say axis of
Line of
symmetry,
symmetry.
and we have discussed. I will ask
Axis
the
of
by
symmetry.
name. Okay, please mute. Anthony, Gautam, and we can have rotation. By rotation, we will be having some. We can make some patterns by rotating the shapes, letters. So what is that rotating? That means turning the shape. Yes. Amanat, can you open on your video? John Sebi Amanat. So, turning a shape or object or number or figures, that is called rotation. Okay, rotation. We can turn that in clockwise or anti-clockwise directions, and we know half turn means 180 degree, and 1 by 4 means 90 degree. When full rotation, 360 degree.
360 degree.
When full rotation is over, the picture or shape will be back to his original position. Okay, back to its original position. Okay, now we have completed till question number 14 in the last period. Yes? Now, question number 15. Can you take question number 15? 1-5, all of you. Gautam, please mute. Anthony. Okay, Dandita. I'm going to share the screen. Question number 15. All the children. I will ask one by one to read. Okay. Now, Adinath S. Nair, please read question number 15. All others, listen carefully.
Take the required number of 1 by 4 turns for the given figure so that it gets back to its original position. Draw the shape for each turn.
Okay. Children, take the required number of 1 by 4 turn the given figure so that it's back to its original position. Children, please wait for my instruction. Ammu, please wait for my instruction, okay? First, I will read and explain one more time. So, after my instruction, you will be able to do. So, take the required number of 1 by 4 turns, 1 by 4 turn for the given figure so that it gets back to its original position. Draw the shapes for each turn. Okay, so 1 by 4 turn. Okay, 1 by 4 turn. Draw the shapes for each turn. So how the original figure is like this. So after 1 by 4 turn, Ananda, are you in your position? Ananda?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Where did you go to take?
Ma'am, my pencil.
Pencil. Okay. Okay, children, use your pencil to draw. So this is the original position. After 1 by 4 turn, Ammu, after 1 by 4 turn, can you say how the position of the, how this picture will be?
On the top.
Huh? After 1 by 4 turn,
The arrow points
arrow will
to
be
the top.
upwards. Okay. So all the children, you can draw first 1 by 4 turn. First 1 by 4 turn, this arrow will be on top. So first, how you can draw? You can draw the circle and draw solution. That means the answer. So after 1 by 4 turn, where the arrow is pointing? Upward.
Upward direction.
Upward direction. Please mute, children. Please mute. Okay. And
You should draw this, right?
you have to draw. But this is not only the answer. So you can draw on the side. See how I'm drawing on the side. And take the required number of 1 by 4 turns so that it get back to its original position. We have to draw as many times till the picture comes back to its original position. Okay, this is the first turn. Okay, next time. Okay, next 1 by 4 turn. Angelina, how this picture will be?
Ma'am, it will be the opposite side.
Opposite side from the original picture, yes? Opposite
Yes, ma'am.
side from the, so how you can draw this next on the next picture? It will be
Ma'am, the arrow will be.
arrow. Yes, arrow on the side.
Yes, ma'am.
Right side.
Opposite
This
of the same
arrow was there to the left. Now it first it
Original.
came here. So the arrow was here.
Ma'am,
Now again the arrow came here. Now it's on the side. Okay. So Anusri, can you tell me the next 1 by 4 turn where the arrow will be pointing?
yes, ma'am, it will be downward.
Downwards. Okay. So we will draw one more. Now this arrow from here rotation, we are doing this clockwise, and now it's coming pointing downwards. The arrow is pointing downwards. Okay. Have you drawn these 3 figures?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Draw it now. Right now.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now, Fia, is this picture now came back to its original position?
No.
No. Now what we had to do? We should get this original picture. So what we had to do?
3 by 4.
One more time. We have to do 1 by 4 turn. 1 by 4 turn. First time we get this picture. Second time, if you turn 1 by 4 again, this arrow is pointing to the right side. Again, one more time, if you do 1 by 4, again you are doing 1 by 4, this picture, it became third. Now again, fourth time, if you are doing, the picture will be this. Okay, first the arrow will be pointing upwards, then the arrow will be pointing the right side. Again, this arrow, it came to the
Original.
down, and again one more time it will come back to its original position. Okay, Alincian, how many times we have turned this to get into original position?
4 times.
4 times. Okay, 4 times we have done the rotation. How many? Like 1 by 4 turn. Okay, what turn? 1 by 4 turns. Okay, children. So you have to draw how many pictures?
Ma'am, I can't hear you.
1. Who cannot hear me?
4.
Who cannot hear me now? Okay, so for the first picture, this picture is when you turn 1 by 4, the arrow is pointing upward, and then one more time, if you turn, this arrow is pointing to the side, and again for the third time, it's pointing downwards, and again, when you do one more time, you are able to come back to the picture is going to its original position. Okay, children. Is there any doubt?
No,
Okay. It's very easy, you know. You have to see every time this picture is turning 1 by 4. Okay, 1 by 4. Gautam, Fiya, all the children, please mute and show me this.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, I can see Angelina. Yes. And Agni. Gautam, yes. Harsha finished. Yes, Pranav, you. All others? Yes, Adil.
Ma'am, we should write the roll number that 1, 2, 3, 4.
No need, no need. The question is, draw the shapes of each turn. Okay. And take the required number of 1 by 4 turns. How many turns? 4 turns. Yes, Manu, very good. Manu, Adinath, I can see. Okay, children. Yes, Anusri. I think all of you have completed. Okay. Now get back to question number 16. Children, please take question number 16. 1, 6. Okay. Can you see the board?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you see the board?
Yes, ma'am.
1 by 4.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Can
I
you
can
read
see
the
the board.
question? Who can read the question?
Ma'am, I will read.
Ma'am, I will read.
Tell me the name. Okay, Fia. Fia, 1 minute.
I will read, ma'am.
Ma'am, I will.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I will read.
Please mute. Okay, please mute. I will choose. I will choose. Okay, Agni. Agni.
Draw the 1 by
Okay,
4 and
wait. Okay.
draw the 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 turns of the given figure in the clockwise and anti-clockwise directions.
Okay. So Richard has raised the hand. Richard, is the question and in the solution are the same? No. In the question, you have to find out 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 only. But in the solution, they have given how many? 1 by 4, 1 by 2, and 1. So we can do according to our solution. Okay. Okay, children. Can you do this?
I did it.
Clockwise. First, you will start clockwise. Do alone 1 minute. 1 minute. So, 1 by 4 turn. In the clockwise, first you will do clockwise. And then we have to do anti-clockwise directions. And the question is wrong. But according to the solution, 1 by 4, we will do 1 by 2 and 1 full turn. Okay? So after 1 by 4,
Ma'am, mine's finished.
Catherine,
Yes,
after 1 by 4 turn, in the clockwise direction, this one, where will be the triangle pointing?
1 by 4th one.
1 by 4th one.
In the right side.
In the right side. This picture, it will turn this arrow, this point. It will be pointing to the right side. Okay. And we have to draw the line inside. Okay, Amanat, after half turn, after 1 by 2 turn, how the picture of this?
Downward.
Downwards, yes? This?
Yes, ma'am.
After half 1 by 4 turn, it will be pointing to the side. Again, one more, it will be pointing down. Okay, so we can draw. Okay, now 1 full turn. After 1 full turn,
Ma'am, same position.
Manu.
Came to the same original position.
We can draw the question, the same position.
Original
It is
position.
coming
We
back
can
to
draw.
Original position. Okay, children, you can draw this. Draw neatly. We are getting enough time. Okay, Madhav, finished?
Yeah.
Yes.
No, first one, clockwise. Madhav, clockwise over?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
anti-clockwise.
Okay, very good. After this, children, you can do anti-clockwise. Anti-clockwise.
Ma'am, 1 by 4.
Okay,
It is in
1
the
by
left
4, the
side. It
same.
is left side. It is in the left side. It is in the left side.
It will be to the left
Left
side. Okay, very good, children. You can do alone. 1 minute.
I'm finished drawing.
Finish.
Ma'am,
Some children.
again,
Okay, so this. So first we have done to the clockwise. Now when you do to the opposite side, you know this pointing will be to the left side. This pointing will be to the
Left side.
left side.
Ma'am,
And
that 1 by 2 will be same in the
1 by
round.
2 will be same.
after
Yes,
that-
1 by 2 will be
Same.
same. Okay,
And
what
1
about
by-
after full turn?
Turn also.
Same
Full turn
position.
also?
One
Same
turn.
Same.
position.
Daniel, over. Have you done this? Yes, Daniel? Finished?
Ma'am.
Some international connections.
Connection problem is there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, children, this is very easy. You can do alone. After this class, we'll be posting the notes. Okay. Adinath,
Okay, ma'am.
what you can see clockwise direction and anti-clockwise
Anti-clockwise
direction.
direction.
What are the pictures? Which turn they are same?
Half turn and full turn.
Yes, half turn and one full turn.
Full turn.
These pictures, they are same.
Same.
Okay. So only difference we can see in the 1 by 4 turn.
For turn.
When you do clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction, you can see difference were only in 1 by 4
turn. 1 by
And-
4 turn.
Okay, half turn and yes, very good. Can you show me your answers, children?
Ma'am.
Yes, Harsha. Yes, Adinath. Catherine. Yes, Anusri. Gautam. Manu. Yes. Felix. Yes. very good. Okay, children. So, what you have noticed there? Yes, Harsha. I can see that.
Ma'am, excuse me.
Tammu. Yes, very good. Daniel. Angelina. All these children I can see. Yes. John. Rohit. Okay, Fia. Yes, yes. Okay, children. Okay, very good. So, Gautam, which turns means clockwise direction and anti-clockwise direction, which turn are they same?
1 by 4 is turn.
1 by 4 is
Before is same?
no. it is
No.
not
1 by 2 and
It is
1 turn.
Okay, children. Yes, very good.
When one turn.
What I told, if I am asking Gautam, only Gautam should answer. Otherwise, I will hear wrong answers. So, Ananda, I didn't ask you. So, what you have to do? Be mute your audio. So, 1 by 2 turn and 1 full turn. These two pictures, they are same. Understood? Okay. Can we do question number 17?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay. Take
Yes, ma'am.
17.
Draw a shape.
I will tell Blesswin to read.
Shape using
Blesswin.
a rectangle
Blesswin, can you see the
and
board?
triangle. Repeat the shape
Blesswin.
twice
All
by
others, please mute.
turning
Only Blesswin.
through 1 by 4.
Let me see who is reading other than Blesswin. Whose audio is not muted. Agni, please mute.
Using rectangle and triangle. Repeat the shape twice by turning through 1 by 4 turn clockwise each time.
1 by 4
One more person is reading. Who is that? Let me see. Ananda, where are you?
and triangle.
Okay, now Manu, all others mute. Manu is going to read that again. All others.
Draw a shape
Yes.
using
Using rectangle and triangle.
With the shape
Repeat the shape twice
turning
by turning through 1 by 4 in clockwise.
1
So
by
you
4.
have to make a shape using rectangle and triangle. Can you do that now? You can make a shape. You can make a shape using rectangle and triangle. I can show you one shape.
Mama, I did not understand the question.
Question. Can you see one picture on the board?
Yes, ma'am.
Who was asking me that I don't understand the question?
Mama, me, Catherine.
Catherine. Okay, Catherine, draw a shape using rectangle and triangle. Okay, I have drawn one picture on the board, like a pencil.
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
you notice one rectangle over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And can you see what is this like tip? What is shape?
Triangle.
Triangle. So, we can draw a shape using rectangle and triangle. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Like this you can draw. Or if some person, they want to draw any other shape, but it should be having one rectangle and triangle. And what is repeat? Repeat the shape twice by turning through 1/4. This is the original question I'm showing. Can you make 2 turns 1/4? So first I will draw this shape, one rectangle and one triangle. Now what you have to do? You have to make 1/4 turn of this picture. How you can make, Adil? When you turn 1/4 in clockwise, see, 1/4 in clockwise direction. Where will be the, how this picture will be? Adil?
Right
Pointing to which side?
side.
Right side. Yes. So the next picture I can draw. The next picture, the same rectangle and triangle. It's like a pencil, yes? So, Alan Sian. Okay, Abhimanyu has raised the hand. Abhimanyu, can you tell me one more time, if we do in clockwise direction 1/4 turn, how this picture will be?
Downward.
Downwards.
We should draw
Okay,
this.
downwards.
Ma'am, we
Same.
should-
Yes.
Downwards.
Downwards. We had to draw one more.
Ma'am, we should draw this right.
Yes, yes. We had to draw this.
Mama, we have to draw this till the original position comes.
No. What is the question? Draw a shape using rectangle and triangle. Repeat the shape twice.
We should
Like to
write
do 2 times. See, now we have done already 1 time and 2 times. By turning
Okay.
through 1/4, we had to do only 2 times by turning through 1/4.
1/4.
Okay. So did you understood now, Catherine? Where is Catherine?
Ma'am, we should write that it is anti-clockwise or clockwise.
Clockwise, no need. It is there in the question. Where is Catherine?
Yes,
Did you understand
ma'am.
the question now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. The question is, you have to make a shape using rectangle and triangle. Then what we had to do?
Ma'am, does
From
this
that position, original position, you have to turn that twice. Twice means 2 times. How many
Okay.
each time? You have to turn how many? 1/4.
1/4.
Okay, very good. Fia, very good. I can see that.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now, can you show, children, can you show your pictures, answers? Is there anybody draw different? Okay, bless with Anandesh. Yes, Anandesh, I can see. Very good. Anina. Yes. Chinmay, very good. Yes, Rohit, Harsha, Adinath, Manu. Yes, children, Adil, Ammu, all the children. Yes. Ammu, you have drawn only 2 pictures now. So one is original and you have to draw 2 more. Means you have to show that one pointing downwards also. Okay, Ammu, one more you have to draw. Yes, Chris, I can see that. Blesswin, Adinath, Chris Jo, yes, yes. Okay, John, yes, very good, John, yes. Ammu, one more time, yes, very good. Ammu drawn one more time, yes. Okay, okay, children, all of you now take question number 20.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Question number number 20 we can do as homework. Yes. Who is calling?
Ma'am,
It's 18, right?
Ma'am, I was showing you. I was drawing when you.
Okay, Nandita, very good. Okay, Nandita, I can see
Ma'am,
that.
I am Angelina.
Okay, Nandita I saw now. Okay, what about Angelina?
Ma'am,
I
drew it.
very good, very good. Children, very good. Okay, very good. I can see many children. Okay, I'm not calling the name Catherine, all the children. I can see that now, Onion and all. So, can you write question number 20 as homework?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you see that 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures? Each picture you can do 1 by 4 turn, 1 by 2 turn, and 1 by 3 turn. So, John, 1 by 4 turn means how many? How much angle? 1 by 4.
90
John,
degree.
90 degree. Okay, very good. And Fia,
Ma'am, we
this
should
is
send that
1 by
homework
2
to
turn.
you.
1 by 2 turn.
Ma'am,
1 by 2 turn. How much degree?
Ma'am, 180 degree.
180 degree. And the last box you have to make 1 by 3. 1 by 3.
120
Alin
degree.
Sian.
120 degree.
Alin. 1 by 3 turn means
120 degree.
120. That we have done today one question. No? Have that F. Look
Ma'am.
at that F. One question. Which question we have done that? Question number
12.
12. Okay.
We
Question
should
number
draw it in
12.
anti-clockwise
Okay. Question number 12. We
direction.
have done that rotation through 1 by 3 angle.
Ma'am,
That is
excuse me, ma'am.
1 by
Excuse
3
me,
turn.
ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse
Yes.
me, ma'am. Ma'am, so what about the 18th and 19th questions?
18th and 19th we will do in the class. 20 is homework.
Okay, ma'am.
And we should
Okay.
draw in the anti-clockwise direction. 21.
Read the question. Complete the table to show how the shape will look after the given number of turns in the anti-clockwise direction. That
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, I doubt.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Angelina.
so when in the anti-clockwise, when it comes in 1 by 3 turn, it will look like
You can, children, when you draw, first you have to draw one small circle. And
Okay.
divide that circle into 3. I show you in the morning.
Yes, ma'am, I'm telling that like it will be like a landing.
Yes, landing. Landing. Okay. I will show one you.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
I have a
1 minute. 1 minute. Okay.
Ma'am,
So,
ma'am.
not this question, but I'm drawing on the side. All of you. Now, if I draw this one circle. Okay. Okay. Now, children, this is the time to wind up the session. Okay. So, look at this 1 by 3 position here. You can draw slanting. Okay.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Okay, children. Now, it's the time to wind up the session. On question
18
number
and
20.
19. Ma'am, 18 and 19.
18 and 19, we will continue in the next class. Only question number
Okay.
20 is homework. So, children,
Okay.
bye. Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Oh no, what is? Ma'am, you're stuck, ma'am. How about the correct time?
Bro, why can't we leave? Why can't we leave?
Can we leave, ma'am?
Oh no, what is
Ma'am, can we leave?
How?
Ma'am, can we leave the section? Power failure, I think so.
Can we leave the section?
Can we leave the section? Power failure. I said no. Power failure. Oh, Gautam, please share the screen. Ma'am will come now.
Gautam, you are the host now also.
Gautam, share the screen.
The host. Gautam, the host.
Gautam, share the screen, boy. You can share the screen. You are the host.